Today, I'm going to show you how to log into another account on Instagram. Whether you're managing multiple accounts or just want to switch things up, it's super easy, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your primary account. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the name of your username. Here you can see add Instagram account. Tap on it. Click on log into existing one. Now, here you can simply enter the username and password for the account you want to log into. Once you fill that in, tap on login. After you log in, you'll be taken into that account. To switch back and forth between accounts, simply tap on your username as we did earlier, and simply tap on your optional account. And that's it. You now know how to log into another account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.